Hello, and welcome to TSLOTS. Today, I'll be spotlighting one of our most versatile and our exclusive TSLOTS liftoff hinges. These hinges are extruded and manufactured right here in TSLOTS. They are part of our fractional product line, which includes both 10 and 15 series options. These hinges can be used in countless industrial and commercial applications. These hinges are great for solutions that require quick removal or maintenance where no tools are needed. It makes repairs and replacements fast and easy. They are rigid and durable connections while offering smooth swing operation. Multiple hinge configurations increase the flexibility with left and right hand pin options, long and short pin, 2-pin versions, and 10 to 15 series transition options. To install the liftoff hinges, you'll want to connect the bushings to the frame of your application. You'll want to use the hinge with the pin facing up. Drop it to where you need to install it. Use an Allen wrench, tighten it down. Then take your panel, drop it on top of the pins, giving you that smooth motion of a door. If you want to prevent your panel from being removed, you'll want to add an additional hinge with the pin facing down. Drop it into the slot, connecting with the bushing, and tightening that down, effectively locking your panel into place while still giving you that smooth motion of the door. Thanks for joining me today on learning more on our TSLOTS liftoff hinges. To explore more hardware options or to find perfect hinge for your next build, visit us anytime at tslots.com. Don't forget to follow us for more helpful videos and insights. Thank you.